Okay, so we are at a business complex, and here's the Ruud Achiever unit that's running. It's got a reciprocating compressor. Very cool. This is a Ruud Achiever from 1988. Here's the compressor. It's got a big Tecumseh. Very cool. Here's the Nordyne unit. Scroll compressor. It's a 2-ton, made in Mexico, Nortex, which is a new name for Nordyne. Yeah, 2016, and that hasn't been running. It's not that hot out. It's only the low 70s and not very humid. Here we have a few units down here. A Carrier 38 CKC from 2002, and I just heard something start up. Oh nice, a Rheem Classic 10, or X. Right there. And then a Goodman Janitrol. So that Rheem Classic X just started up, it's got a scroll. And then there's a Janitrol down there that's running. Here's a look at them with the zoom. It's from 1995. Then there's the Janitrol, unknown year on that one. Here we have a few more. A Rheem Classic 10 Sear from 1996, and a Ruud Achiever. And then a Goodman and a Train XC1000. I'll get to the data. There's data on the XC. And then there's the Ruud Achiever time. So yeah. Here we have a few more. Carrier Comfort. Let's see, 2019 2-ton, and then another Ruud Achiever, then one with this style. I like that one a lot. You can see the data, and then a Goodman, and then two over there. Okay, here we have a Janitrol unit that's just sitting here, not hooked up. It's got a Bristol recip. There's the data. I suppose it's just a scrap unit or something. Interesting. Oh, 2000, you can see from March of 2000 on the data sheet on the compressor. So yeah, thank you for watching. Some pretty cool older units and on this video, and it's over now. Okay, so we are at another place, and here's the Lennox unit that's running. Actually, cool unit. There's the data, and then here's the Goodman unit. There's the data. So yeah, gonna see if I can film a few more. Alright, so we're at a townhome, business complex, and here are a few Arco Air AG units. This one's got a Copeland recip, straight gold 2-ton from 1995. Yeah, cool unit. Got a nice quiet Copeland recip in there. I've seen these before, but I just took a bike ride down here, so I'm finally getting an up-close video of them. Here we have a few units over here. A vintage Heil unit, or not a Heil, an ICP. That's got a really nice sound. 1980, wait. I'm not sure about the year on this one, but it's a 3-ton. Ohio. Yeah, cool unit. And then a pane. Straight cool unit, Copeland screw. There's the data. These are all straight cool units. Here you have a very small vintage carrier. It's like 2000 with a Bristol. 1994. It's newer than I expected. Oh wow, that's a Tecumseh. You can see that Tecumseh tag. Yeah, very cool unit. Then a Train XC1000 Climate Tough Recip. There's like ivy growing into here. Is this ivy? Forget if it's ivy or Pakistan, but it doesn't really matter. It's a 210. It looks like this hasn't been used in a while. Here you have a vintage carrier unit that's running. That's iced over, but here's the carrier Challenger 210. It's running. Sweet. That's got a recip. It's hard to hear, but awesome. Look at that. Here's the loud carrier Tech 2000. That's iced up also. 2004. Then there's condensation dripping. Then a pane unit right here. Copeland screw, decent unit. There's data 2010. Here's the quiet Dakin unit that's running. There's the data. Here's the Bryant air quiet system. Straight cool. From 2005. And then a Windsor unit, a Gold Star. Here's security, so I don't want to go too close up to that. Here's the pane teardrop air conditioner with the Bristol recip. There's data, 2002. So yeah. Then here's the vintage carrier product. Let me get to that compressor, but the fan blades are in the way. Ooh, a vintage Bryant. Sweet. Here's the data. The Bryant with the Bristol recip. The data is too faded, but it's from 2000 actually. And then a pane over there. So yeah, that'll be it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Lots of cool units. Over now.